Hey folks, Chris Laidlaw here with McFadden Honda. This week for Feature Friday, we wanted to do something a little different. We've gotten a lot of questions about our key fobs recently in the comments, so we thought we'd do a brief overview of our key fob selection for our lineup. All right, just some of the basics to start us off. These key fobs here are our 4 most common key fobs for the Honda lineup. In addition to that, they have a 200-foot range, and as you can see, these ones have built-in remote start buttons on them. All right, let's start with the Ridgeline key right down here. I'll just pick it up so you can see. Obviously, you have your lock, unlock button, as well as the remote start button here that you have to press to hold for 4 to 5 seconds, and your panic button. But I want to show you what's on the back. So you can see this little plastic doohickey here. I just give that a tug, and this comes right out of the key. All right, let's start with our most common key fob right down here. So you can see, just like the other one, Honda likes to keep consistent. You have your lock button at the top, unlock here, and then 2 hold buttons for your tailgate or power tailgate as the case may be, and your remote start. But the thing I want to show you about this one is actually located on the back of the key fob. You'll see driver 1. Now the spare that these come with will say driver 2. So if you have an option with memory seats, depending on which key fob you have on your person, will automatically go to seat function 1 or 2. All right, now let's look at the Odyssey key. So right here, you'll see it's a little bit different. It has that row in the middle there. So you have your lock and your unlock. And then this second row here is for your power doors on either side. So you give that a hold and it'll open the left or the right door. You also have your remote start as well as your power lift gate. All right, last but not least, our brand new key fob for the 2022 Civic. So as you can see here, aesthetically, it's a little bit different. You have darker buttons, but it's still the same. Lock, unlock, and then push to hold for your remote start and your tailgate. But this is the cool part here. As you can see, the shape is slightly different, a little bit rounded off. There's a really nice gloss finish with that Honda stamp in the middle. Just gorgeous. And then, of course, if you need to take the key out, it's this button right here. Give that a press, and the key comes out nice and easy. Well, folks, that's all for me today for Feature Friday. Thanks for stopping by. My name is Chris Laidlaw, and you can reach me at McFadden Honda at 403-327-7250. And if you have any other questions, please leave them below. And I'll leave a little bit of a link here for our other video on the key fob tips and tricks. Very good video if you like this one to watch. So thanks for spending some time with me. Take care.